We can never love like God. We can try to love like God. We can always learn from Him, but we can never be the same as God. Okay, yes, we can learn, but we'll never love the same as God, because not only is His love faithful, His love is also unconditional. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, this part 2 of the devotion. So in this video, it's a continuous video from the first episode, of course. So today's episode will be the day 2 of the devotion. So just to let you know, episode 2 is up on Spotify by now, and episode 3 will be up soon. So let's continue with devotions. So today's devotion is from Psalms 136, 1-26, NLT again, yes. First verse. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His faithful love endures forever. Second verse. Give thanks to the God of gods. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 3. Give thanks to the Lord of lords. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 4. Give thanks to Him who alone does mighty miracles. His faithful love endures forever. So always give thanks to Him, and His love always endures forever. That's how much He loves us. His love never stops. It's always forever. And it's faithful love. It's not just love, it's faithful. Okay. Verse 5. Give thanks to Him who made the heavens so skillfully. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 6. Give thanks to Him who placed the earth among the waters. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 7. Give thanks to Him who made the heavenly lights. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 8. The sun to rule the day. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 9. And the moon and the stars to rule the night. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 10. Give thanks to Him who killed the firstborn of Egypt. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 11. He brought Israel out of Egypt. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 12. He acted with a strong hand and powerful arm. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 13. Give thanks to Him who parted the Red Sea. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 14. He led Israel safely through. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 15. But He hurled Pharaoh and his army into the Red Sea. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 16. Give thanks to Him who led His people through the wilderness. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 17. Give thanks to Him who struck down mighty kings. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 18. He killed powerful kings. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 19. Sihon, king of the Amorites. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 20. An Og, king of Bashan. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 21. God gave the land of these kings as an inheritance. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 22. A special possession to His servant Israel. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 23. He remembered us in our weakness. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 24. He saved us from our enemies. His faithful love endures forever. Verse 25. He gives food to every living thing. His faithful love endures forever. Last verse 26. Give thanks to the God of heaven. His faithful love endures forever. All these verses tells us how much His love is for us. And He even gave us food for all of us. He saved us from our enemies. His love is faithful, okay? It's not like our love, when we are human love. Some of our loves to others, to our partners, to anyone, it's not faithful. We can never love like God. We can try to love like God. We can always learn from Him, but we can never be the same as God. Okay, yes, we can learn. We can go to church. We can learn to be faithful to our partners, to anyone we love. But we'll never love the same as God, because not only is His love faithful, His love is also unconditional. As Christians, we can try to learn to be better and be like Jesus and God, but we'll never be the same as them. We cannot love like they love. We cannot care like how they care. We cannot be 100% the same as them, but we can learn from them, so we can be better people someday. So that's all for this devotion. Yes, it's a short one because it's only Psalms today. So if you're on Spotify or on YouTube, rewatch or re-listen if you want to hear the verses again, because all these verses tells you how much His love is for you, and do not take God for granted. Okay, yes. Don't think that just because He can forgive you, He will forgive you. Doesn't mean you can sin. I mean, sinning is where you learn from your lesson. It's where you build your character. It's where you improve yourself. So just take note on how much He actually loves us. He did all this in this whole Psalms book of Psalms, yeah, to tell you how much He loves us. So don't forget to follow us on our Telegram channel, our Instagram page, our Instagram personal accounts. Follow us there. Follow us our channel, Telegram channel, where you can post questions, you can post anything about this devotion. And don't forget to follow us on Spotify too. We are on Spotify too. Yeah. To end this whole video, here's a song to actually summarize, sorry. It's like to end off with a song by Chris Tomlin, Forever. So enjoy the song and reflect on the words of the song to know that God actually loves you forever. His faithful love will never change. His faithful love will always be the same. So here's a song for you. So enjoy it, reflect on it, pray over it, pray for yourself, pray for your loved ones if you're attached. Pray for them, for God's love to be upon them, for God's favor to be upon you, upon your loved ones, and upon anyone that you love. And those who are on Spotify, enjoy the music. So that's all for this video. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace out, guys.